Adding an access gate to an existing fence is a common request, and in this video we'll show you how simple and convenient it is with the U-Safe gate. This customer was thrilled with their fence and layout, but later decided to add an access gate to their system. Traditionally, this process was a little more involved because the existing plumb holes of the fence section didn't line up with the standard gate layout. For example, the two rectangular posts need to be drilled at 3-degree angles, which doesn't match the existing holes. To cut in a traditional gate, you would need to remove one pole. Then drill 3-degree holes for the gate posts, followed by plumb holes drilled at 2.5 inches from the gate posts. This means a total of 4 holes need to be drilled and 2 cuts for the fence, leaving 1 empty hole in the middle of the gate opening. As a side note, adding a gate into an existing fence should only be done on a straight run to ensure that the system operates properly. The U-Safe gate radically simplifies the process of adding a gate. Let's walk through the steps to cut in a U-Safe gate. Begin by disconnecting the fence and setting it aside. Then snap a chalk line between the existing holes to guide your placement. Measure and mark where you will drill, ensuring that the hole is spaced 33 inches on center from the section break hole. Here's the exact layout for your measurements. The gate will be installed between a standard 36-inch pole spacing drilled plumb for the fence section. On the right, you have 2 existing section break holes spaced 2.5 inches apart. Your new drill mark will be at 33 inches. This leaves you a 3-inch spacing on the left. Experienced installers might recognize this as a potential issue because this should be 2.5 inches. But the newly redesigned rectangular bracket solves this problem. Simply remove the bracket and reinstall it on the last hole. This enables you to connect to the fence seamlessly with a 3-inch spacing. Next, drill your marked hole plumb. This is the genius of using the U-Safe gate to cut into an existing fence. The holes for the U-Safe gate are drilled plumb so you can reuse the existing fence holes for your gate. Once the sleeve is tapped into place, open the U-Safe gate box, then adjust and install the peg shifter. The peg shifter is a game changer, allowing you to fine-tune the peg's position in case the drill bit walks a little during drilling. For a detailed walkthrough on the peg shifter, check out our YouTube video, unboxing and installing your U-Safe pool fence gate kit. Once the peg shifters are screwed into place, stand the gate upright and simply slide it into the holes. Next, attach the fence to the right side and then complete the cut on the left. Then slide the latch onto the gate and ensure that it's adjusted properly. And that's it! You've successfully added a gate into your existing fence by drilling just 1 hole. For more tips, tricks, and product tutorials, please check out our YouTube channel at All Safe Pool Fence. You can also access our knowledge base on our website.